Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Scribble effect using transition and CapCut for PC. Alright, so select your images or videos you like to edit, and I'm going to select images to the clip. And um, previously I was set the image duration in 1.0 seconds. So go to transition and select this Scribble transition and apply it to all the clip. There we go. Right. You can also add the effect, and I'm going to select the flicker effect add to track it as for iteration. Right. Right. So basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.